Come on! Now!
Tingin mo konti.
Republic of the Philippines, Department of National Defense, Army Reserve Command, 12 Regional Community Defense Group, 12 Ositan Community Defense Center, AGC Montreal, Tacoron City. Ma'am, this flag is presented to you in behalf of our grateful nation as a token of appreciation of honorable and faithful services of your beloved husband, late Master Sergeant A.D.A. Buladas, Philippine Army retired. Ma'am, place and fold his hand this flag during his birthday, this anniversary, All Souls Day, and National Heroes Day. Ma'am, nakikiramay po ang hukbo ng 12 Ositan Community Defense Center, 12 Ositan Ready Reserve Infantry Battalion sa pamumuno ni Colonel Suharto C. Mangunato, General Staff Force, Philippine Army Reserve, at ang buong hukbong sa katahang lakas ng Pilipinas. Ma'am,
mga Pilipino, tumusa sa tanggudaran, nagkaisa at nagkabulong, iwan ay tinahulong, nais na ipamating, kami lahat magkakapatid, sa sultan kudarat naming mahal, ibig namin Naming